MarineMax Rogers. My name is Max Kavanaugh. Today I have the pleasure of showing you guys this beautiful Harris 210 cruiser, and it's a brand new 2023. We're starting off on the exterior here. I'll point out the nice beautiful stainless steel pop-up cleats, which is really nice. They fold back down. You won't be hitting your toes, which is nice. You have your docking lights here, your navigation lights as well. Your Harris logo is right here. Looks really nice against this black, a nice little contrast. You do have a side door that will open up, makes boarding the boat much easier from the dock. As we move back and we look up, you have this nice big bimini top that opens up, gives you lots of shade. You will not be disappointed. Moving towards the back, you have the cruiser logo here. And you have this beautiful stainless steel safety railing. This allows you to sit back in the lounging seats back here while the boat's underway. So think of it as added square footage because you have this safety railing with this chain that clips into the ski tow bar here. And now I mentioned the ski tow bar, you have a nice tow point up on top. You can tow your skiers, your tubers, even a wakeboarder if you would like, which is great. Again, you'll have the stainless steel pop-up cleats back here as well. And on the other side of the outboard here, you will have this nice big ladder that folds down like so and expands just like that. You have these nice wide steps as well, so as you're getting out of the water, it doesn't hurt your feet, which is great. It makes it easy to board into the boat. Folds up, locks into place just like that. You guys, that's the exterior of this Harris 210 cruiser. Let's go take a peek at the interior. All right, we've made our way into the interior of the Harris 210 cruiser, and it's very nice. The layout is great. Lots of space to accommodate lots of people in this 21-foot pontoon. You'll notice the boat is optioned out with the Mercury 4-stroke 115 horsepower outboard, so plenty of power for this 210 to have fun on the water. Now, underneath the seats here, as I lift them up, you'll see all the storage you have here. Every Harris pontoon comes with a table and a table post, and you can choose where to mount it on the floor as well, which is very nice. So it gives you the control. Underneath the seat over here, you'll see you actually have an integrated cooler right here. You can throw ice, drinks, sandwiches, and actually you have a drain plug down below that you can pull out when the ice melts. So convenient. You'll notice there's just a lot of space as you walk in. You don't feel cramped. You have this nice L-shaped seat here so you can accommodate lots of people. They can all feel like they're, a part of the experience. You have speakers down below. You have storage underneath these seats except for the corner one. That's where the battery is located. A couple cup holders, 2 USBs. You'll see USBs in the front, over here in the cockpit, so you can stay connected, because in this day and age, everybody has a cell phone, okay? As we move forward and we look towards the helm here, you'll see the low back captain's chair here with flip down and flip up armrests. You have your throttle off to your right, your steering wheel, 3-spoke design. Over here at your dash, it's nice and simple, your traditional gauges with a digital readout, and you also have your Lowrance hook fish finder here as well, so that's a nice feature to have. Your physical toggle switches and your Clarion stereo head unit right here. So this controls the stereo system from the volume. You can connect to that via Bluetooth, which is really easy and super simple. You have a nice little tray too with some SeaDeck actually on top, so you can put your keys, your phone, maybe your wallet there, and it's not going to move around. A couple more USBs and a 12-volt outlet as well. Moving into the front, you'll see this nice space up here as well. Underneath the seats, there is storage as you open them up. They're all on hinges, so I don't have to physically pick up a seat and move it somewhere. Same thing with this seat as well, and same thing on the other side. Again, 2 cup holders on each side. You have USBs here and on the other side as well. So this is all around just a great layout of this Harris 210 cruiser. And it's located here at our MarineMax Rogers location. If you guys have any questions, give us a call or come stop by our store, and we'd be glad to show you around and show you our entire inventory as well. Thank you.